everyone, KWX here, and today we're not even going to have an intro or outro, we're just going to go straight to the point, one, because it's late, and two, this is mostly going to be an update video on our upcoming situation. We're not going to go over active current warnings and watches because the National Weather Service is still a little on the iffy side, but everything tonight relies on what we've been watching over the past hour or two. Currently at 9:43 right now in southeastern Michigan, night before, 24 hours till the big event. And tonight, the National Weather Service is not very quickly, but just very closely watching the weather models tonight. And here's our most recent update. As you can see, first we start as rain showers around 3 o'clock as buses start rolling out from schools. And during the end of the work, we have rush hour. So look at these heavy snowfall rates, though. I mean, even if temperatures on the ground are forecasted to be at around 36 at this time, these fast snowfall rates will cause very large snowflakes and could definitely really quickly pile up very, very fast. So we got to be very careful while watching this system. Here's our really quick rain shower for southeastern Michigan possible, but this does not last long at all, and anything that does melt will just freeze, and we have lake effect showers throughout the night. Around 7 a.m., 6 a.m., we are still going. Look at this 970 millibar low, extremely dangerous storm we have possible right now. 24 hours till event. Again, now, along with that, another concern we have is the wind speeds. So blizzard conditions or near blizzard conditions will not be ruled out for areas that do get a winter storm warning. You may get upgraded, and right now we only have winter storm warnings for Saginaw. The rest of the area is basically under a winter storm watch, except these counties here. But I do believe tomorrow morning things very well might be changing in the forecast very quickly the night before. And this thing looks like an actual inland hurricane. I mean, look at this. Right here, it looks basically like the eye of a hurricane. Your low pressure's here, and you can see it circling around. And I feel like that's a really cool setup that we have setting up for us for that day. And if we look at the normal wind speeds, they themselves, sustained wind speeds, will also be relatively high. Let's take a quick look at the temperatures as well. As you can see, during the day, here's when our first showers roll through. So we rise around 38. Now here's what is actually good about this. I feel like this will cause, it says rain, but in the upper levels of the atmosphere, it's going to remain warm as rain showers roll through the area. It's going to cause just a natural cool down over the area, causing 33, 32 degree temperatures. And now this is where it comes into a large play. These very, very borderline temperatures are what's going to make a difference over the next few hours as we have weather models coming in with much more data, and we have all the info we need. And right now it's looking like we will have fast snowfall rates across southeastern Michigan. I feel like the least likely county to get heavy snow will probably be the most southern counties. Areas north will have potential to see very, very heavy snowfall and wind speeds. As you can see, there's that cold air wrapping around, and then it gets colder throughout the day as we have likely we do have lake effect snow showers coming across Lake Michigan. Now, another threat that we do have is in fact thunder snow, also possible due to the warmer temperatures. We have warm temperatures in the upper atmosphere. So we'll have elevated thunderstorms above the surface that will be able to produce thunder snow at the ground. So again, this is probably going to be a pretty dangerous situation, possibly tomorrow evening. I'm going to make another update right before the event. That's when we'll have the most info possible. I'm going to use the 10 to 1 instead of the total snowfall because these heavy snowfall rates, the National Weather Service says, could definitely impact this. So let's take a look here at the most recent HUR run. Now this is a very interesting situation here. Now, let's not get on exact snowfall, but right now, here's what's going on for southeastern Michigan. Again, this comes with high wind speeds. Upper northern, lower peninsula has the best chance to see the heaviest snowfall, as well as downtown Chicago might see some heavy snowfall. And before we say, oh, this is probably just one model, if I take all the models that we have, they are pretty well lined up. So we're locking in right now. We have one outlier, and that's the blend, but it always has been doing that forever. But as you can see, this is a pretty good trend for southeastern Michigan, and you do have a really good chance of upgrading to a winter storm warning with high wind speeds tomorrow. Again, this is a possibly major winter storm, possible blizzard for some people, and that's basically all we have. I'll have an update also tomorrow evening, right before the event, and we'll start locking in snow totals completely. But right now, the National Weather Service. So here's what it'd be if this was like a light snowfall. It'd be around 5, 7. So this would still be winter storm warnings. But also get this, it will be falling at an intense rate. So we're gonna use the 10-to-1 because I do believe the snow will have the ability to have snow rates that will be able to overcome the warm atmosphere. So again, we're gonna have an update. Watch out if you follow me on Facebook. I'll be posting what the National Weather Service says hourly, maybe, and I will be updating you on this upcoming situation. Again, this is a major winter storm. If you are driving, I want you to be extremely careful out there, and I hope that everyone has a really safe weekend, as Arctic air is expected to move in next early week. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow at afternoon.